Hello scholars, I hope you are watching the videos and studying well. Let's start today's class. Today we are going to start Unit 5 Art and Entertainment. In this unit we will study about creative colors, the world of music, movies, a world of fantasy, places of entertainment and celebration time. Let's start the first topic of Unit 5, Creative Colors. Colors has been an inseparable part of man's existence from times immemorial. Colors work on our moods and bring good vibrations. Nature is full of colors. Everything around us is an array of color. Color is the aspect of things that is caused by different qualities of light being reflected or emitted by them. There are three different types of colors: primary, secondary and tertiary colors. The primary colors are red, yellow and blue. The secondary colors are green, orange and purple. And the tertiary colors are yellow-orange, red-purple, blue-purple, blue-green and yellow-green. There are 12 colors that typically appear on a color wheel. When two colors are mixed together, they make the third color. Let us do the exercise given. Look at the color combinations given in the box below and fill in the blanks. In the box we can see two colors mixed together and that makes a third color. The first question is dash and dash make purple color. It is red and blue makes purple color. We will write in the place given red and blue. Number 2, dash and dash make green color. It is yellow and bluish purple makes green color. We will write in the space given yellow and bluish purple. Number 3, dash and dash make orange color. It is red and yellow make orange color. We will write in the space given red and yellow. Number 4, dash and dash makes yellow green color. We can see the colors yellow and green making yellow green color. We will write in the space given yellow and green. Number 5, dash and dash make bluish purple color. We can see the color blue and purple that makes bluish purple color. We will write in the space given blue and purple. Number 6, dash and dash makes orangish red color. It is orange and red makes orangish red color. We will write in the space given orange and red. Let's do the next part of the exercise. Draw the picture of the caterpillar in the empty grid and fill it with colors. This exercise you have to do it yourself at home. You can draw the caterpillar and fill it with colors. Let's move to the next topic, the world of music. Music is loved and enjoyed by all people around the world. Music is the sound produced that is pleasing to the ears. Music can be produced through many activities such as singing, using musical instruments or any other object. A musical instrument is a device created or adapted to make musical sound. There are three main types of musical instrument: stringed instrument, wind instrument and percussion instrument. String instrument produces sound by means of vibrating strings. Wind instrument produces sound when we blow air into them, and the percussion instrument produces sound when it is hit with beater, stick, etc. Let us do the exercise given. The following picture shows different types of musical instrument. Write down their names in the space provided below each picture. The first picture is the picture of trumpet, and it is a wind instrument. We will write in the space given trumpet. The second picture is the picture of tabla, and it is a percussion instrument. We will write in the space given tabla. The third picture we can see is the picture of bongo, and it is also a percussion instrument. We will write in the space given bongo. The fourth picture we can see is the picture of sitar, and it is a string instrument. We will write in the space given sitar. The fifth picture we can see the picture of mouth organ, and it is a wind instrument. We will write in the space given mouth organ. The sixth picture is the picture of the instrument flute, and it is also a wind instrument. We will write in the space given flute. The seventh picture we can see the picture of drums. It is a percussion instrument. So we will write in the space given drum. Let's move to the next topic. Movies, a world of fantasy. Animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. Fantasy films often takes us to different world and away from the imperfections of our normal life. Nowadays, fantasy is popular across a huge range of media. There are many famous animated movies. Let us match them to their short description by numbering them in the blank. The first picture is the picture of the movie Ice Age. And Ice Age is a movie in which a sloth, a mammoth and a saber-touched tiger rescue a human child and return him to his father. It is number third description. We will match Ice Age A with number 3. We will write in the space given 3. The second picture is the picture of the movie Dashavtar, and Dashavtar, the description is given in number 6. It is a movie based on 10 incarnation of Lord Vishnu. We will write in the space given 6. The third picture is the picture of the movie Stuart Little, and it is the movie based on a mouse. That is a movie about a mouse which is adopted by a human family. It is number 4. We will write in the space given 4. The fourth picture is the picture of the movie The Lion King, and the description is given in the number 2. This is a movie about a lion prince Simba who lives in the exile for years and later comes back to claim his kingdom. We will write in the space given 2. The fifth picture is the picture of the movie Shrek, and its description is written in number 1. This is a movie about an Orgy and his best friend, which is a donkey. We will write in the space given 1. The sixth picture is the picture of the movie Finding Dory, and it is a movie of a fish. Number 5. The description is given in number 5. Forgetful blue tank fish goes on a search for her long lost parents. We will write in the space given 5. Our next topic is places of entertainment. Place of entertainment means a public or private entertainment facility such as a stadium, arena, racetrack, museum, amusement park or other place where performances, concert, exhibits, athletic games or contests are held, for which an entry fee is charged. Let us do the exercise given, which is based on the places of entertainment. Read the clues, unscramble the jumbled names and write them in the blank. Number 1. A place where one can find a large collection of objects of scientific, historical and artistic importance. It is museum. We will write in the space given museum. M-U-S-E-U-M. Museum. Number 2. A circular arena where the audience can see skilled performers like acrobats, clowns, jugglers, trained animals, etc. It is circus. We will write in the space given circus. C-I-R-C-U-S. Circus. Number 3. A venue where people can see movies or films on a large projection screen. It is cinema hall. We will write in the space given cinema hall. C-I-N-E-M-A-H-A-L-L. Cinema hall. Number 4. A park where people can see different kinds of animals in closed cages. It is zoo. We will write in the space given zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo. Number 5. A huge commercial complex of shops, restaurants, etc. where visitors can go and buy things from different shops or just spend time looking at different things. It is shopping mall. We will write in the space given shopping mall. S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G-M-A-L-L. Shopping mall. Number 6. A theatre with large dome-shaped projection screen where people can see visuals on astronomy and the night sky. It is planetarium. We will write in the space given planetarium. P-L-A-N-E-T-A-R-I-U-M. Planetarium. Number 7. It is a huge room with a stage where the audience can see performances much like a theatre. It is auditorium. We will write in the space given auditorium. A-U-D-I-T-O-R-I-U-M. Auditorium. Let's move to the next topic. Celebration time. India is known as the land of festivals. As different communities belonging to different religions live here, therefore many festivals are celebrated regularly every year. Among these festivals, some are religious, some are based on seasons, while some are of national importance. People celebrate these festivals and enjoy a lot. In the given exercise, we have to read the clues and identify the festival. The first clue is, it is a festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu for 4 days. This festival signifies the end of the harvest season. During these 4 days, people go to the temples and decorate their cattle with flowers. This festival is Pongal. We will write in the space given Pongal. Number 2. This is celebrated as a Sikh New Year and as a harvest festival in Punjab. It falls every year on 13th or 14th of April. It is Baisakhi. We will write in the space given Baisakhi. Number 3. It is a harvest festival celebrated in Kerala in the month of August-September. The festival is celebrated for 10 days. People perform various dances and participate in the snake boat races. This festival is Onam. We will write in the space given Onam. Number 4. Also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi, this festival is celebrated for 10 days. Lord Ganesha is worshipped and on the final day, following a large procession, his idol is immersed in water. This festival is Ganesh Chaturthi. We will write in the space given Ganesh Chaturthi. Number 5. It is a festival celebrated by the followers of Islam. It is celebrated on the day following the appearance of a new moon at the end of Ramzan. People fast for a month. At the end of the fasting period, this festival is celebrated. This festival is Eid. We will write in the space given Eid. With this, we come to the end of Unit 5. Now it's time to end the class. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete all the exercise given. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.